a double page layout using the February Kiwi Club Love Notes and the following templates: Aspen Court 1B, 2B, Cedar Trails 1A, Sweetheart 2, from the a la carte collection, Heart to Heart, and a la carte's Hallmark. So I'm going to play some music. I don't think I need to narrate. I'll come here and there just to mention what I'm doing. But basically, I'm just going to trace out my templates and cut them out. I will also be using my Distress ink and Hickory Smoke to distress my edges. The distressing process helps separate the layers so that it doesn't look like just paper on top of paper. It gives it a little dimension, and I liked using the Hickory Smoke on this collection because of the natural gray tones in most of the papers. So here we go, and enjoy this video. So as you can see, I am making photo mats for my pictures. I created this layout before Valentine's Day, and I really wanted to use it for a Valentine's party that I was going to on Valentine's Day. So I made the layout ahead of time, and in the end, when at the end of the video, you'll see completed pictures with the title and also with the pictures in it. So as I'm finishing up the layout, beginning to embellish it a little bit, I just want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'd love it if you'd like my video as well. And we will be having I will be having a 500 subscriber giveaway. So when I reach 500 subscribers, I will be posting a video explaining exactly what you got to do in order to be in the giveaway to win a $50 gift card to my Kiwi Lane shop. So I'm looking forward to reaching my first goal of 500, and hopefully it'll be soon. So I'm also looking forward to the next set of videos that I will be creating, and I plan on doing a little more mixed media and using other papers in my huge paper stash. I also want to start scrapbooking some of my older pictures of my kids when they were little. So if you have old pictures that you really don't know how to combine with the newer, fresher papers, hopefully I can give you some ideas of how you can do that. So please make sure to stay till the end. I will have pictures of the layout completed and some close-ups, as well as some links to other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.